Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm so excited because today I kind of wanted to do an updated Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. I did a shop with me for the Nordstrom anniversary sale when the sale had its early access, and I picked up a couple of pieces. But since then, I've picked up a few more in store and online, and I figured I would collectively show you guys how I would style all of the pieces. I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of different ways to style these items. I tried to get a lot of good basics that I could wear throughout the fall and winter time. So yeah, if you guys wanna see some good ways on styling the Nordstrom anniversary pieces, definitely please keep watching. Definitely also follow me on Like to Know It. I'll leave it linked down below, and then that way you can shop the pieces that I get, see the different ways I style them. Now, a lot of the items go in and out of stock, so if you see anything you like in the video, be sure to add it to your wish list, because then as they restock it, it'll notify you and you can always just add to cart and shop through there. I believe the sale goes live to everybody tomorrow. So yeah, if you see anything you like, just add it to your wish list. That way, when the sale goes live to you, you can shop all the pieces. All right, let's get in it. I'll save the best item for first. All right, so if you watched the shop with me video, you would have seen that I got these black Steve Madden combat boots. I was so excited about this purchase. I love the sock detailing on it. I just thought they were such a stunning shoe, and I couldn't wait to wear these with like an all black outfit, black leather faux leggings, and like an oversized cardigan. They were so stunning that I had to get them in the most delicious, gorgeous bone color. I'm about to show you guys right now. Tell me that this is not the most gorgeous shoe that you have ever seen in your whole life. Tell me that color is not just breathtaking and so stunning. I'm obsessed with it. Anybody knows me knows that I love like white creams and beiges, and this color is like right up my alley. I got this to wear with like more of like my taupe leather leggings, my cream cardigans. I just figured they would be so stunning in the fall time. And again, the detailing on the shoe is beautiful. They are more of like a chunky combat boot, but I don't feel like they're too chunky or too overpowering. They don't make the legs look too bulky. With these, I did have to size down a half size. I'm normally a 7. I got them both in a size 6.5. And like I mentioned in my previous shop with me video, they do also sell this in a really nice like sandy color that has more of a suede detailing. The reason I didn't purchase those is because I purchased a similar shoe from Steve Madden last year. They were very similar to that color. If I didn't have those, I literally would have purchased them in every single color, just because again, I love the sock detailing. I love how these boots look on, and I just know that there's gonna be so many cute ways to style these. In the next clip, I'm gonna show you guys like my ideal outfit for those bone boots.
First way I envisioned styling the bone booties, I thought they would look so great with these taupey, creamy beige colors. I loved wearing these colors all last season, but I was missing these tone of boots to wear them with, and now I'm just so excited.
I was also really excited to wear those bone boots with the flannel that I showed you guys in my previous shop with me video. I'm also going to show you guys how I plan on styling this flannel for the fall time. I know that there is going to be so many different ways to wear this. This is like seriously the softest flannel ever. The cut of it is so flattering. And I also have even been wearing this since I got it in the summertime, just to throw on like shorts and a tank top. Such a pretty top. I remember when I filmed the video, they were out of stock on it. And since then, I've seen it come back in stock and leave out of stock. So anything that you like in any of the videos, like I said, be sure to add it to your wish list, because they will come in and out of stock in different sizes. This though, I envision with like either an all black outfit with those black Steve Madden booties, or with like black and then the bone booties. Like, oh, it'll be so cute. This is also like the most softest cozy material. It literally feels like you're wearing a lightweight blanket. Colors on here are so stunning. I remember last fall and winter I was super into mauve, so I got a ton of cute like mauve tops, and this will also pair so beautifully on top of those mauve tops that I got from last year. So I'm really excited about all the different ways to style this piece.
The way those bone boots looked with this all black outfit and that flannel. The flannel just looks so good thrown on over everything. I love the length that it comes down to, the fit of it. And I was also really excited to wear the flannel with all the mauve little undershirts that I purchased last year. This one that I'm showing you right now is from Zara, and I think that they just go so well together.
So for the shop with me video that I filmed before, I tried on a couple of like basic long sleeves tops and I didn't end up liking the cut and the fit of it on me. Then I saw this one online. It's by BP and it's this really nice, just like basic black top. It has a nice like U neckline, but it doesn't come so far out. I love the fit of it. The quality of it is also really nice. And this was only like $10. It's originally $19. It's nice and stretchy. And yeah, this will just be a great fall basic to have. I think they also have it in white and a couple other colors, but definitely pick this up. Super flattering, quality is really nice, and crazy affordable.
How the black top looks like on. I love the neckline on it. I love how it's a U shape, but it doesn't come too far out. It's super soft and comfortable, and I got mine in a size small, and I like it because it's fitted without being too tight or constricting. It is slightly cropped, but it meets high-waisted leggings perfectly.
I caved in and I got the Spanx faux leather leggings that everybody talks about for these sales, and they are right here. These look so much like my Target leather leggings that I've been wearing for like the past 3 years. I use them all the time in the fall and winter time. They're just so great styled over like basic oversized sweatshirts and things like that. However, I wanted to pick up these because my Target leggings do tend to settle in every crevice, crack, lump, and bump on my leg possible. And when I tried these on, I was just obsessed with the smoothing effect it gave to my leg. It looked way more like structured, form-fitting, but like smoothed everything out, way more dressier because of the fit being so much better. There are a ton of ways that I want to style this. I definitely want to style these with the black combat boots, all black outfit, and throw on a cardigan, or all black outfit with a flannel, all black outfit with a coat. So many ways I'm going to use these leggings. They do run very, very small. I normally purchase all of my bottoms in a size extra small or small. When I tried those on in the fitting room, I literally could not even get it past my ankle. So I ended up going with a size medium, and I love the way they fit. They were still comfy, but very like stuck you in. If you do end up purchasing these leggings, just be aware of like how you need to wash them so that you don't mess up the little like faux leather detailing on it.
How the leggings look on. I love the fit of them. I love how they're way more smoothing than all of my other faux leather leggings. They definitely hold everything in really nice. I would definitely wear these with like a shacket or something longer over top still to cover like my butt and stuff. So here I just styled it with a shacket and the same black Steve Madden booties, and I just think that this is like the perfect fall outfit and so comfortable.
Like, this is my ideal outfit with those leggings. The coat that I showed you guys in my previous haul, which I never got to show you it, like how it looked on with a cute outfit. The same Edelman coat with the Spanx leggings, and then my black Steve Madden combat boots. That will be such a vibe. This also fits really nice because it tapers in. I'm not going to spend too much time talking about this because I already talked about it in my previous video, but I am going to show you guys how it looks on styled with a couple of outfits. Such a stunning coat. I think this is originally almost $200 and I got it for $119, but I know I will get so much use out of it, and it's just, it looks so luxurious. The color is stunning. And yeah, I'm really excited about all the ways to style this.
That was exactly how I envisioned styling this coat, with an all black outfit, my Steve Madden combat boots, those same Spanx leather leggings, and the BP basic black top. I love the length that it comes to. I also love how you can cinch it in at the waist with the belt, and I also just love the way it tapers. Bonus points for coming with a hoodie too. So nice.
I don't think I saw this available in a store anywhere, but I did end up purchasing it online. It's like a long line cardigan by AFRM. If you guys know me, you know that I'm obsessed with anything with a balloon sleeve detailing. Like, that's the way to my heart. And what I love about this cardigan is, for one, it is so soft. It legit feels like a blanket. But I also really love the color of the gray. I just thought, I don't know, I was really drawn to it. I felt like it complemented the complexion really nice, and I thought it'd be a really pretty contrast up against like the gold jewelry that I normally wear. I also love the length that it came down to. It comes to about the mid-calf, so it makes it like a dressy, casual type of vibe. Now, this cardigan is super lightweight, so this will be perfect for the springtime or early fall, like September, when it's not too cold out. And this is originally $68, but I got it for $49, which I thought was a pretty good.
Here I have it styled with the same leggings and top that I mentioned earlier and the same Steve Madden combat boots. You could also dress this down by pairing it with some like plain black leggings and some white running sneakers. That would look so cute. Throw on a cute bag. I love the little rib detailing along the lapel and also on the sleeves. The balloon sleeves, again, I just think that they are so adorable, and there's so many ways that you could style this cardigan. Again, it's super soft. The color on it is stunning. Definitely recommend.
I have on. I also picked up this top from the sale, and I'll show you guys a bunch of different ways to style it. This is by the brand Open Edit. I want to say it was originally like $25 or $30 and I got it for like $9. I loved how soft it is. It's a nice cotton material. The color of it is also so pretty. I knew that this top would look great styled with that flannel as well and some leggings or some jeans. This is like perfect for the summertime and in the fall time. I believe they had it in black and maybe in white as well. But when I tried it on, I just loved the cut of it, the fit of it, and how comfortable it was that I knew I had to get it. I got mine in a size small, I believe, and I just really like it.
Thought this top would look so cute with my Zara brown pants, or honestly any brown pieces. I love the ribbing on it, the cut of it. Right now I styled it with those brown pants and then my Steve Madden suede combat boots. If I didn't have these, I would purchase the ones that look just like these but that are in the sale. The only difference is that the one in the sale has that sock detailing like I was showing you guys earlier, but the color just pairs so well with that outfit. I also figured that flannel that I showed you guys earlier would also look great over this top in those same brown leggings and those Steve Madden combat boots. I'm gonna be wearing this outfit so much this fall time, like I cannot wait. That top would also look great paired over a nice light denim. These pants are from Zara as well, and I have that same flannel over top, but I also thought it would look cute with just the denim. And then again, those same Steve Madden combat boots would be such a cool outfit. Cute outfit, I meant.
Alright, you guys, that wraps it up for the items that I picked up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale and kind of showing you guys how I would style them. Like I mentioned, if there's anything you like, just add it to your wish list. They'll notify you if it comes back in stock. I'll leave everything linked down below. Be sure to follow me on Like to Know It so you can see more ways on how I style these pieces. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. And if you don't feel like shopping the Nordstrom anniversary sale, I do plan on filming some end of summer into fall super affordable hauls from super affordable brands. So definitely subscribe, stay tuned, and I will have those up as well. I love you guys. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.